Yes, Claire and Sydney, while most of us can tell when weather is about to change by watching our forecast, some of us might be able to feel incoming weather changes in the form of pain in our joints and ligaments. The only problem I found is there's not much actual research on it. Those who suffer from joint problems or previous injuries can relate.
Most often when I'm in the hospital, a lot of patients, you can tell that they're having a lot of pain.
Dr. Rochelle Gold is a physical therapist.
And they complain of a lot more pain, and I know that a cold front's coming in later, or the weather's about to go from drier weather pattern to more of like raining or really humid.
She says there is a simple reason more research hasn't been done on weather changes and its effect on pain.
Subjective, meaning like I'm saying that it hurts and there's no direct way to measure it. And I think that's what's so hard, is that there's not really good evidence, because you don't really know how to prove that someone's having pain associated with these things, because pain is subjective.
Dr. Bright O'Day agrees with the lack of scientific evidence, but says the answer might lie deeper within a weathercast.
To just past El Paso there.
The only thing that comes a little bit close is the fact that, our joints, are actually surrounded by tissues, tendons, muscles that maybe, they contract when the temperature or the barometric pressure changes, especially that when the barometric pressure goes down, some of these tendons, which are mostly found around our joints, expand.
Barometric pressure is the force exerted on the atmosphere at any given point. Often you see meteorologists point to areas of high or low pressure on a weather map. Areas of low pressure have lower pressure at the center than the areas around it. Winds tend to blow around these areas with air rising in the middle. These are associated with rainstorms and cold fronts, while areas of high pressure has higher pressure at its center with winds blowing away from it. This is associated with clear skies and dry weather. While we cannot see barometric pressure, paying close attention to those H's and L's on a weather map is likely to put you one step ahead of the pain and the weather for the week. If you suffer from joint pain symptoms and wanting care, doctors recommend to first contact your family health provider, but simple stretching could be key.
When you first wake up in the morning, just kind of sitting up on the edge of the bed, maybe kind of moving your legs back and forth. You can, even if you're in bed, before you sit up on the side of the bed, you can do where you are, just long sitting with your knees straight and you're just reaching for your toes.
It can depend on the severity of your conditions, but you can also rely on home or over-the-counter products that could ease your symptoms.
But the other things that you can do, heat, for instance, helps with joint pains, Actually, it's been proven to be very effective in most joint pain. So applying a heat pad to your area of the pain, whether it be in the back or your joints, will help a lot.
So whether you are staying ahead of the storms or ahead of the pain, the answer can very well lie within your latest weather forecast. Doctors also recommend that daily exercise and being active could improve joint pain symptoms.